Welcome back to AI Foundation Learning. If you're looking to dive deeper into the world of AI, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to unravel an exciting and powerful tool in the AI landscape, LangGraph. Whether you're a beginner, enthusiast, or professional, LangGraph offers a unique approach to developing AI agents and solving complex problems. So buckle up, because we're about to explore how LangGraph works, how it can be used for AI agent creation, and the latest tools and techniques you can use to get started. To understand the power of LangGraph, let's take a brief look at its history. LangGraph is a relatively new framework that builds on the principles of task decomposition and multi-agent collaboration. Originally conceptualized as a tool to improve the efficiency of natural language processing, NLP workflows, LangGraph quickly evolved to become a general-purpose framework for AI agent collaboration. Over the last few years, the rise of large language models, LLMs, and tools like LangChain has made LangGraph an invaluable tool for developers and researchers. By integrating with these cutting-edge AI technologies, LangGraph has positioned itself as a flexible platform capable of handling both simple and complex multi-agent tasks. What makes LangGraph so special is that it's not just a task management framework. It's a system that allows AI agents to communicate and collaborate in real time. This has opened up new possibilities in fields like robotics, healthcare, and autonomous systems. LangGraph's journey from a niche NLP tool to a versatile AI framework is a testament to its robustness and adaptability. It's reshaping how we think about problem solving in the AI world, making it more collaborative and efficient. Now that we've covered its origins, let's dive deeper into what LangGraph actually is and how it functions. So, what exactly is LangGraph? In simple terms, LangGraph is a graph-based framework that helps break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable tasks. Unlike traditional methods where tasks are handled individually, LangGraph approaches problems as a set of interconnected tasks, represented as nodes and edges in a graph. Each node in LangGraph represents a subtask, while the edges represent the relationships between these tasks. This allows AI agents to collaborate and solve problems more efficiently by distributing tasks across multiple agents. Think of it like this. Imagine you're tasked with building a house. Instead of one person doing everything, from laying the foundation to painting the walls, different workers handle different tasks. Someone pours the concrete, someone else installs the windows, and so on. LangGraph works similarly for AI agents, distributing tasks among them for faster and more efficient problem solving. LangGraph is built on a graph-based problem-solving paradigm, meaning it takes a big problem, breaks it down into smaller, manageable pieces, and then connects these pieces using a graph structure. For example, let's say we're building an AI system for natural language processing, or NLP. With LangGraph, we can break down the task of understanding human language into smaller parts. One agent might focus on syntax, another on semantics, and yet another on context. These agents work together through the LangGraph framework, each handling their specialized task while sharing information with the rest of the system. This makes LangGraph super efficient for handling complex, multi-agent tasks. Whether you're working on NLP, computer vision, or even complex decision-making systems, LangGraph can help break down the complexity and make it easier for your AI agents to collaborate. Now, let's talk about how LangGraph can be used for AI agent creation. One of the most exciting features of LangGraph is that it allows you to create autonomous agents designed to handle specific tasks, collaborate, and solve complex problems. Here's how. First, LangGraph helps break down the main task into smaller, specialized subtasks. Each subtask is handled by a different agent, making it easier to scale as your project grows. Agents are connected through the graph structure, which means they can share information in real time. If one agent solves a subtask, the result can be passed on to the next agent in line, allowing for seamless collaboration. Because each agent handles a specific task, the system is highly modular. This means you can easily swap out agents or add new ones without disrupting the entire system. This is particularly useful when working on large-scale AI projects. For instance, in a self-driving car system, one agent might handle object detection, another might handle route planning, and yet another might focus on decision-making. LangGraph ensures these agents work together to achieve the final goal: safe and efficient autonomous driving. If you're looking to get hands-on with LangGraph, one of the best tools to use is LangGraph Studio. LangGraph Studio is a visual interface that allows you to design and manage your LangGraph projects without needing to write a lot of code. With LangGraph Studio, you can easily create and visualize your graph. You can directly map out nodes and edges representing tasks and their relationships. Monitor agent performance. You can track how each agent is performing in real time, making it easier to debug and optimize. Integrate with external tools. The Studio allows you to integrate popular AI libraries like Hugging Face, LangChain, and PyTorch, making it a versatile platform for AI development. LangGraph Studio is especially great for beginners who want to get a feel for how LangGraph works without diving deep into the codebase. It's also useful for professionals who want a visual overview of their AI agents and tasks. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned AI developer, LangGraph Studio provides a powerful, user-friendly environment to bring your AI projects to life. Explore, design, and optimize with ease, all within the LangGraph Studio. Now, let's dive into the latest tools and techniques that complement LangGraph. LangGraph doesn't exist in isolation. It's part of a broader ecosystem of AI tools and libraries. Some of the latest tools and techniques that integrate well with LangGraph include 1. Hugging Face models. LangGraph has recently integrated with Hugging Face, making it easier than ever to use pre-trained language models for NLP tasks. This means you can leverage powerful models like BERT or GPT within your LangGraph system. 2. LangChain. LangGraph is also built on top of the LangChain library, a modular platform for connecting language models to various tools and frameworks. With LangChain, you can easily plug in your own LLMs and use them to power different nodes in your graph. 3. PyTorch. For those working on deep learning tasks, PyTorch can be seamlessly integrated into LangGraph. This allows you to create custom models for specific tasks, like image recognition or sentiment analysis, and use them within your graph structure. By combining these tools, you can create incredibly powerful AI systems that are both flexible and scalable. Whether you're building AI agents for research, business applications, or automation, LangGraph and its integration with these tools can take your project to the next level. Let's take a look at some real-world examples where LangGraph is already being applied. 1. Natural language processing, NLP. In the world of NLP, LangGraph has been used to build systems that can handle large text corpora, break down sentences into syntax and semantics, and then generate summaries or insights. For instance, a company might use LangGraph to analyze customer feedback from thousands of reviews, automatically summarizing key points and sentiments. 2. Financial modeling. In the world of finance, LangGraph is used to create AI agents that handle different aspects of financial modeling. One agent might focus on risk analysis, while another agent predicts market trends. Together, they help companies make more informed decisions. 3. Healthcare. In healthcare, LangGraph can be used to build AI systems that help doctors diagnose diseases. One agent could analyze medical images, while another cross-references the results with patient histories, and a third agent suggests potential treatments. These examples show just how versatile LangGraph can be, enabling AI agents to tackle complex, real-world problems efficiently. So, why should you be excited about LangGraph? In a nutshell, it's one of the most versatile and scalable frameworks for building AI agents capable of handling complex, interconnected tasks. Whether you're working on NLP, robotics, or financial modeling, LangGraph can help you break down problems, create modular agents, and build systems that scale as your project grows. If you're looking to get started, make sure to explore the LangChain library and integrate tools like Hugging Face and PyTorch to supercharge your AI agents. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates on the latest in AI and machine learning. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics. See you in the next video.